Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we have $2 deals for Tuesday and we have two new full collections. So every page is $2 a sheet and the sale lasts for about a week. I'll go over the collections individually. So the first kit is called Resort Sunset and it is rose gold foiled. I love all the foil accents on this kit. It's so cute and I added in the hot air balloons because I thought it was so cute. And we also have some mini hot air balloon deco that is foiled, and that is little pieces of deco. So this is the full boxes. And then this is the vertical kit, and like I said, it is rose gold foiled. And there are three options for vertical kits: the mini, deluxe, and the ultimate. And then we have our Hobonichi kit, which looks like this. This came out so pretty. I love the art that's combined. I kind of pulled art from like 4 different places, and I think it all kind of looks so nice together. So that's the deco. And then we have our journaling sampler and then our journaling kit. If you watched our last video, you know that we reformatted this page a little bit. That was Resort Sunset or Sunset Resort. I actually don't even remember. Okay, and then we have Tropical Days. This kit is so much fun. This one is gold foiled and I love the colors in this kit. It's just like a fun summer kit. So up first we have our vertical kit. Oh my gosh, I love the art in this kit as well and the flamingos. I first started out looking for flamingo art because I wanted to do a completely flamingo kit, and then I found this one with a lot of more elements and I had to do this art. It's so beautiful, and I love the florals as well and the bright tropical colors. So that is the vertical kit. And then we have our Hobonichi kit. Looks like this. And then we have our deco. There's a lot of elements in here. Our journaling sampler. And then our journaling kit. That is 2 pages. And then the mini deco. So we have these, the foiled deco. That is Tropical Days. And we are going to be planning with Resort Sunset. Hey guys, so let's get on to the plan of me. So this portion I filmed for IG Reels, and I'm just going to replicate what I did on the other side to the other page. I love the foil deco for this kit. It's so cute, and I love like the clouds and the hot air balloons. That's kind of the vision I had for this kit, was to create a really pretty like sky scene up top, which is like a sunsetty sky scene. So it's so pretty, and it's gonna look even better with all the other stickers laid down. So I had such a busy day yesterday. Besides working, I cleaned my house, like deep cleaned my house, and I'm like so tired. I think I deep cleaned for about 5 hours, and a lot of it was kind of like physically demanding. I don't mop every single day. I'm actually really bad about mopping. I mean, I can vacuum every day. That's really easy, but mopping, oh my gosh, like I'm always sweating at the end of mopping because I work really hard at like scrubbing the floors when I'm mopping. So by the end, I'm literally sweating. It's physically demanding. I'm laying down my full boxes, but oh my gosh, like, so I did that, and I cleaned like the baseboards. I washed all my rugs. I washed all my blankets, like the throw blankets on the couches, just stuff that I don't usually do on a daily cleaning basis. I did everything yesterday, like scrub the showers and the bathtubs, like all the bathrooms I cleaned. and I'm exhausted, but surprisingly kind of awake. Oh yeah, I had coffee this morning. I forgot. I usually don't drink coffee. I don't like being a slave to something, but I guess I am for today, because I really needed it. But anyways, I took some of the torn pages from the journaling sampler and I put it on the sidebar area. I'm also drawing in some deco and putting it in some spaces. I love the look of deco in any kind of planner, just like really large deco. It just looks really cute and not so, in a way, like blocky. I don't really like my spreads looking too rigid, if that makes any sense. So I like to break up a lot of spaces by putting in deco. So anyways, I like putting in my base first before I start putting in my like day-to-day stickers. Let me know what your like ritual is. Do you like planning day by day, like putting in everything, like all the full boxes and the events and doing it day by day, or do you like laying down your base, like your full boxes and stuff, and then filling out your events as time goes? So anyways, I'm going to be pulling in some labels and such from the ultimate kit pages and the deluxe kit pages as well. I love layering, so a lot of that happening along with pulling stickers from the journaling pages. So the other day, I watched the movie Tenet. I actually posted that on my Instagram story about how I didn't understand it at all. And actually, a lot of you guys DM'd me that you guys had no idea what was going on in the movie either. So I felt a little bit better because I definitely felt kind of dumb watching that movie. I was just like, what in the world is just, I don't know. Let me know if you guys watched it and what you thought of about the movie. I love Christopher Nolan movies in general. Movies like obviously The Dark Knight, Inception, The Prestige, Interstellar is like my favorite movie of all time. But I think Tenet was honestly like a little bit too ambitious, like a little bit too complicated. Like, so I don't know. I watch a lot of movies while doing like printing and cutting because it doesn't require a lot of thinking. So I like to have something on in the background. And then typically when I'm designing, I can't listen to even like music. It's too distracting for me to think about designing. But when I'm printing and cutting, like I can go through so many movies. So if you guys have any recommendations, let me know. I personally really love horror movies. I am a huge, huge horror movie fan. I would have to say I love it so much to the point that it's like almost a hobby. Like I follow like my favorite studios and see what movies they're coming out with for the year, and I look up directors and stuff like that. Yeah. Sometimes I watch it like literally in the middle of the night and it's so much fun for me. And whenever I tell people this, they just get so weirded out. So let me know if there are any other horror movie junkies out there. Growing up, I watched so many classics. Like in elementary school, I was obsessed with the Texas Chainsaw. Don't ask me why, but it just like it was so artistic that I just fell in love with it. So if you guys can guess, Halloween is my favorite holiday of all time. Oh, this spread turned out so pretty. Hopefully you guys like it too. It's been a while in my A5 wide. This is my Aura Estelle planner, and the inserts are actually from my shop. They are digitals. I have the digital listing up on my Shopify and also Etsy, and it's really cheap, like under $2. So if you want to download it, you can go check it out. But this is what the spread turned out to look like. Oh, it's so pretty. I love the sunsetty colors mixed in with the rose gold. So hope you guys like it too, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye!